today we got the GUTS aftermarket seat. Going on to the MX650. Should be pretty easy and straightforward, so let's dive right in. There we have it, folks. Let's get it on the bike. So okay, so the seat is on. Probably talked enough about it already. Let's ride. Psych plus on, 139 miles. There's a high probability this will not work where I am because the service is just, the cellular service is just non-existent up here. Oh, that's comfortable. I like that a lot. But yes, usually if you give it a minute, it'll connect. It'll find a signal and connect, but I'm not going to dilly-dally. Excuse me, that was gross. The sun's going to be starting to go down soon, and I want to ride. So, the GUTS seat cover, or actually aftermarket seat, because it's not even a seat cover, but it is. This one came all put together already, which I appreciate a lot, because I am not Mr. Upholstery yet, or at all. Maybe someday. Oh, that is full throttle mode 1. Oh, needs more power. Yeah. This is actually just a stock Razor MX650 seat wrapped in a GUTS seat cover with some extra padding. I did not get the tall version. I got the regular one. And it still comes with extra padding. It feels a lot better than stock, I'm telling you guys. If you're worried about a good seat cover too, I recommend this all the way. Links below, obviously. Using my discount code or my links helps this channel grow, helps me continue to make videos like this for y'all. Definitely a viable option, especially if you don't want to be doing your own seat cover, which I will eventually. Like, I had a custom one made from Thrill Seekers for my Sur-On that I just haven't put on yet, but I'm nervous. I'm very nervous I'm gonna it up, especially because it was expensive. Excuse me, messing it up. I gotta clear all this out. Like, look at this. Look at this shit. Whoop, that would make an awesome jump. And then, oh, a couple of moguls. Whoop. See, there's already a few jumps down here. Kinda. They need to be worked better. See? Whoop. Whoop. Yeah. Feels great, too. I'm much more stuck to the seat than usual. It's nice. Totally recommend. So much fun. I gotta remind myself this isn't the Sur-On though. It's just not as big. It won't go buckling over things quite the same. Like that. Although I don't think I'm making it over that with the Sur on either, but so nimble. A little Razor. The yellow Razor that could, aka the Yellow Jacket. Everyone names their bikes, it seems, so this should be fun. No phone today. It died a few minutes ago, so it's on the charger. And our Psych Plus is still not connecting and working to keep track of our mileage or our speed, but that's okay. On something like this, you're always going to feel like you're going faster than you really are. With that being said, it's also, a lot of it is about being comfortable. Like, you don't want to go faster than you're comfortable with anyway. So, screw the speedo. Ooh, everything loosens up here a little bit. Ooh, I'm going to slow down so I don't wash out. No mirrors on this bike either, so constantly checking behind me. Or every once in a while, I should say. Dude, this was such an easy mod. And so colorful, so worth it. Like, even if you're not a wheelie guy, which clearly you guys know I'm not really, this just, I feel planted. Like, my butt is not going anywhere. I ain't sliding off. This is nice. This is very nice. And that took all of 10 minutes. So yeah, maybe you can get a more intricately designed one at Thrill Seekers. But if you don't want to be doing the upholstery gun and staple gun, whatever you do yourself, Guts Aftermarket Seat from Electro Co. Hands down. Best option out there. But eventually we will get to covering our own seats. I am going to learn how to do that. And I think we'll start with the Sur on. That's one of those things though. Neighbor asks me, Cruz has asked me, everybody that knows me has asked me, like, how do you buy this stuff and not just go crazy waiting to put it on? Like, I would be getting this done immediately. Whether it's a mini bike, one of the crazy carts, getting an upgrade kit on, or like one of the brake kits on. People were just like, I can't believe you wait until the time is right. It's like, well, trying to be a professional about it. I want to record it, and I can't do everything at once on a recording. Plus, I only have so much space on my cameras and phones and blah, blah, blah. I do not have an infinite amount of devices or SD cards. So, if it can be a video, I'm going to make it one. You know what I mean? This is a stupid amount of fun, guys. Fun, fun. Oh, now we're connected. $35. $45. The regen braking feels so nice on this bike too. Something I do not have on the RSF. I hear something rattling a little bit, but that's okay. Guys, I'm sorry I don't have a whole lot to say or talk about. Wasn't even a whole lot to really do today. I just happy to be here, happy to be riding. Beautiful little parking lot, and happy to get this seat on. Nice. That person didn't look too pleased to see me, but it's an airport. She can chill. Something is making a funny noise though. That's one of the things that sucks most about these electric bikes, is all the crazy noises you hear, because you're not hearing an engine. And you can hear a little bit of electric motor hum, but a lot of what we're hearing is the chain going around and the wheels on the pavement, wheels on the road. Really nice little neck of the woods. TJ! Ah! I don't know if anybody else saw that. It was pretty quick. I love this bike so much. This is such an awesome platform to build off of. I would like to try an SX500 someday, but I'm nervous about it because of the, what do they call it, the fork rake? The way, the angle at which the fork sits out in front of you is more straight up and down on the SX500, from what I've gathered. Anyway, back to the seat before I let y'all go. This is great, especially if you're a wheelie person. I am 6'4" ¾ damn well near 6'5". So I ain't doing no knee knockers or seat standers on a frickin' Razor. I mean, I ain't doing it on anything because I'm kind of old and not very good. But given my aerodynamic challenges, I definitely will not be doing any of that. If you came here looking for somebody to really use and abuse the seat, sorry to disappoint you. I'm just here to tell you it looks hella cool, especially for the price. Can't beat, you know, $100, $150 mod. That's about as cheap as it's gonna get on these e-bikes, these e-motos, these pit bikes, these mini e-motos. Yeah, see, that's one of my trails. I gotta come back and clean that up this summer desperately if I want to ride it. But yeah, I totally recommend it if you are a wheelie guy. Like, if you're gonna be doing wheelies left and right, you should probably have this seat. Yes, so I got something special planned for y'all with the carts pretty soon here. I don't know if this is going to come out before my next cart episode or not. Screw it. I think the cart's going to come out before this episode, so I'll just go ahead and say it. The Hydro Drift Bar on my 1100 watt blue cart, that's one thing. That was a surprise in itself, but that's not what I'm talking about. Me and Cruz have a surprise involving the carts coming up very soon. And I hope by the time this comes out, that already has too. Or I'm in the works and I already recorded it. Yeah, please stay tuned, guys, because there's some super cool stuff coming our way very soon. Coming your way. Shall we try mode 2 for a second? Oh. Unnecessary. Unnecessary. Too much power. Guys, I don't know where I'd be without y'all, seriously. You've changed my life forever. So have these machines, and I can't thank you guys enough. Stay tuned until next Sunday, where I hopefully and plan to have a hell of a banger coming out for you. Me and Cruz are definitely going somewhere with these carts, where we probably shouldn't, but we're gonna do it anyway, because we're children and don't know any better. Just kidding, we're not kids, but we don't know any better, so hopefully that can be our excuse. Stay tuned to find out. Love y'all. Peace.